should bring my mom here.
So this is zero grazing, but we do have the cows are now out.
Oh, they have gone for an evening stroll.
So out, in and out.
I thought they didn't survive Christmas.
No. So this is a demonstration for zero grazing. People with limited space. You can do dairy farming.
Zero grazing, this looks nice.
Unit. This is the feeding area. The other side is where they rest from. That is the other side is the house pen. Then here the brush for treatment. Yes. Then behind there is where we have the biogas plant. This system has a component of biogas. So we have the biodigester on the other side. They are concrete. Yeah. So this is zero grazing.
Wow.
Zero grazing.
Even the cow dung is not very smelly.
How many cows?
Yes.
We have only two
One,
at the
two.
moment for demonstration.
Oh,
Dairy cows.
but you can have all of them filled.
Yes, this is for age.
So they can stay.
Yes?
Someone can keep them in here without having a space to take them out for.
Yeah, you just deliver the feeds.
And they will stay there.
Yes. Yes. Actually, this is for urban.
Bazi siba like.
No, they just move within. You know, once they grow together, they will not have any problem. Yes.
They grow like this.
They will be friends.
They
like
will be
you
familiar
being in
to
a
each
hostel.
other.
Eh? If you're in a hostel, for us we used
What
to
is
have
there at the very end?
cubicles.
Yeah.
So you find like
So the other one is for the metron.
yeah. Yeah?
They have a metron cow. That should be cool.
No, these are their units for resting.
This is nice. How much does it take to build this structure?
Can cost around 8 million.
Nice, expensive. $8 million. And you get yourself zero grazing structure for cows. You hear that? You don't have space. You can have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you pack it, about seven cows in here for your 8 million construction. And then you rear cows. Why not?
What's this space meant to be for? This one.
Oh, I thought it was their shower for bathing cows. So that's where they get all the cow dung that is used for biogas.
Yes.
Or they also bring in some from outside.
Actually, that one we also get from outside because we have two units. The other one and this one. And we need a lot of dung.
A lot of dung, yeah.
So here we are also getting from outside, from the abattoir.
From the
The KCC abattoir.
abattoir?
Yes.
What's abattoir?
Olufula.
Eh. Eh.
Yes, Olufula. Yes.
Awo oli mu lulimi lwe nyini.
That's where we get butcher.